Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need for this lesson is a piece of paper and something to write with. Remember, parents, feel free to pause this video at any point if your child needs any extra time. And our sound today is E. 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 Have a go at saying that after me. E. E. One last time. E. We're going to hide away our new sound in a pack of sounds that we already know. I. I. Ow. Ear. Or. O. Ch. Oo. E. Let's hide our sound one more time. Ow. Or O. E. Oi. Ah. E. Let's have a look at some words with our E sound in it. S-E. See. You might go to the beach to see the sea. Have a go at writing sea on your piece of paper now. Eat, eat, eat. You might be wondering what to have to eat. Have a go at writing eat on your piece of paper now. Leaf, leaf, leaf. Outside you might find a leaf. Have a go at writing leaf on your piece of paper now. Eat, eat, meat. For dinner, you might have meat. Have a go at writing meat on your piece of paper now. Peas, peas, peas. Also for dinner, you might have some peas. Have a go at writing peas on your piece of paper now. Seal, seal, seal. In the ocean, you might see a seal. Have a go at writing seal on your piece of paper now. Tea. Your mum or dad might have a cup of tea. Have a go at writing tea on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to look at some high frequency words. These are words that we read more often when we're reading. Saw. You saw your friend coming. Have a go at writing saw on your piece of paper now. Your. Your friend is coming. Have a go at writing your on your piece of paper now. Read. read, read. It's really important that you read lots at home. Have a go at writing read on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some sentences with all our words in it. It's, meet, and, peas. It's meat and peas. Have a go at writing it's meat and peas on your piece of paper now. I read, read, your, tea, leaf. I read your tea leaf. Have a go at writing I read your tea leaf on your piece of paper now. Remember to include your punctuation. I saw a seal in the sea. I saw a seal in the sea. I saw a seal in the sea. Have a go at writing I saw a seal in the sea on your piece of paper now. Remember to include your punctuation. Well done everybody, and I hope to see you here again soon for some more phonics.